our English grammar video, and the topic for our today is an adjectives. So what is an adjective? So student, you must have learned the noun in your grades. So now the thing which is tells us more about the noun, that are the adjectives. Okay, means कि नाउन के बारे में हमको जो और ज्यादा चीजें बताता है, नाउन को मोर ज्यादा डिटेल्स में डिस्क्राइब करता है, that are the adjectives. Now let's see with the define. Adjectives describes noun. They tells us more about people, place and things. Means कि adjectives हमको नाउन बताता है और वही सेंटेंस हमें ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है about people, places and things. Let's see with the example is the first one. He is a tall man. He is a tall man. Man is there, but what the description of the man is given is tall. So this is tall is my adjective in this sentence. Okay. So man की तो बात की है. He is a man, but which kind of man he is? He is a tall man. Okay. The next, Mumbai is a big city. Now cities are also there. Many cities are there. Like Ahmedabad is also city, right? So they have said particular about Mumbai, and what the Mumbai is? Mumbai is a big city. कैसी city है Mumbai? Mumbai big city है. So big is my adjective. Okay. Next, this is a pretty house. Now houses also you must have seen, right? तो houses भी देखे हैं, but कैसा house है? The particular house they have said is very pretty, means a very lovely house. तो वो pretty house है. The pretty word describes the house. So pretty is my adjective in the sentence. Next, the Taj Mahal is beautiful building. Now Taj Mahal is building we all know, but what they have described it to the Taj Mahal is with beautiful word. Beautiful word से जो ताज महल को describe किया है, so the word beautiful is adjective in the sentence. So यहाँ आपको समझा कि what is adjective? I repeat, the adjective is that which tells us about the noun, like more thing about the noun. If the things are placed and things are places, people and animals, whatever the things are there. So adjective is the thing which tells us more about the noun, which tells us about the noun, and in the noun they tells more thing about the noun if noun is place, animal and things. Okay, people, places, animals and things. So here let's see the more about the kinds of adjectives also. Now let's see the kinds of adjectives. Actually, let me clear you, these are not in your syllabus, but I have to tell you that the kinds of sentences, this will be easy for you to understand in the sentence. Sentence से आप easily identify कर सकोगे कि adjective कैसे होते हैं. So these are the kinds of adjectives. The first one is looks, मतलब कैसे वो दिखते हैं, right? Second one is shape, how the shape is. Third is numbers. Which are the numbers? Numbers like 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever. Behave, उसका behave कैसे होता है? Smells, smell कैसी होती है उसकी? Feels, जैसे touching से जो feeling होती है, that the feels, then the size and the colors. So these are the 8 types which tells us about the adjective. Like these are the kinds of adjective. So let's see the first, looks. Looks क्या होता है students? कि how it looks, कैसा वो दिखता है? It's look bright, मतलब ज़्यादा bright दिखता है, और it looks beautiful कि beautiful दिखता है, या वो shiny दिखता है, या वो dull दिखता है, या colorful दिखता है. Okay, many more things are like. तो उसमें भी बहुत सारे और भी looks होते हैं. These are just the examples कि जिससे आपको पता चले how it looks like. Okay, so bright, beautiful, shine, dull, colorful. These are the looks. Now coming to the shape, कैसा shape है? If it is a circle, square, round, triangle, polygon, what is the shape? तो कैसे shape का होता है? That is also tell one kind of adjective. Then coming to the numbers, 1, 2, many, few, three, hundreds, lakhs. This all are the numbers. So whatever the numbers comes, that tells us the numbers also. Then next is behaves. So behaves is angry, गुस्से वाला, sad, mad, nice, या soft hard, like annoying. ये सारी चीजें जो होते हैं, they means which kind of behaviors, जैसे unmoody, right? ये सारी चीजें होती है, या फिर very happy. So this tells the behaves also, कैसा behave होता है. Next is smell. How the smell is. The smell is like fresh smell है. Stinky means very गंदी वाली है जो बदबू आती है, that stinky. फिर कोई sweet smell है या कोई yummy में smell है. Many more are there. कि which kind of smell it is. That also tells the adjective. Then I have told you the feels. So feeling like soft feeling is there, hard is there, sharp is there, smooth is there, and many more. ठीक है. So that tells the feels also. Next is the size. Size of the things, like tall is there, as I told you in the example, tall man. Then short, big, small. This tells the size also to us. Next, the color. Color means red color, orange color, yellow, green, purple, blue. Many more examples you can take of yours. So this is just the few words which I have told you are the examples of adjectives. This kind of, the main thing is this, the main kind of adjectives are looks, shapes. It tells us the look, shape, numbers, behaves, color, size, feels and smells. This tell us the things कि what kind of objective is. Suppose I have told you example of this. So the man is tall. As he is a tall man. The sentence was like this. He is a tall man. So size, the man that describes the size of the man, right? So man was tall. So I can say like this कि the size of the man was tall. So adjective that belongs to the size. Another example is कि the cushion which we have got is very soft. तो जो हमने जो cushion pillow जो खरीदा था हमने, that was soft. तो कैसा feeling हुआ? That is soft feeling. So that adjective is a kind of feels, right? If another example I can tell you is shape. So shape I can take as I have a ring to play. Ring means ring is of circle. ठीक है, round shape ring to play. So round shape is also there. So round is also one kind of adjective, but which shape? Okay. Then I can tell that samosas are of triangle shape. Okay. So triangle is also shape. So shape का example हो गया वो. If numbers का मैं example दूँ तो there are many years. If you are reading the sentences in the book also or somewhere also, so many years ago. So that many comes in the number. So which kind of adjective? Many. Understand? So this is the thing. Like few examples I have told you. It are the adjective the kinds. It are the kinds of adjective. So you understand the kinds of adjective. Now in your book, we do have the two kinds of adjective. One is quality adjective and one is quantity adjective. So let's see what is the quality adjective and what is quantity adjective. Let's see the main kinds of adjectives are which is there in your course are the quality adjective and quantity adjective. Okay. So what is quality? Quality adjective tell us the quality. कैसी quality का है? If you have the word, the meaning of quality, you will, if you know, if you don't know even though, let me tell you, quality means कि suppose आपकी मामा कोई cloth purchase करने जा रही है, right? So first we see which kind of quality of that cloth is cotton, fabric, right? Nylon, which kind of material is there? So वो हम quality that see जो material जो हम पहचानते हैं that is the quality. Okay. Now the same sentence for quantity if I am telling you. So that something the cloth which your mother or parents are buying, तो वो किस quantity का like 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair or the many pairs, right? तो कितने pairs का है? That the numbers which comes is called the quantity of it. But the more in the details I am telling you I am telling you just see to it. The quality is the thing. It is an adjective used to talk about the quality of a person or the thing. Means this tell us about the how the person is. ये हमें क्या बताता है कि कैसे क्वालिटी का पर्सन है या कैसी क्वालिटी की कोई चीज है, राइट. इट डिस्क्राइब्स द क्वालिटी इन शेप, साइज, कलर, टेस्ट. ये कैसी क्वालिटी हमें डिस्क्राइब करता है, कैसी शेप का है. जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट अभी यही वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया कि शेप पे डिफर करता है. शेप्स लाइक राउंड शेप, ट्रायंगल शेप, स्क्वायर शेप, सर्कल शेप, राइट. Size tall, big, short, heavy, fat. Okay. Color like orange, green, blue, yellow, and taste like salty, sweet, bitter. Which kind of taste is also there? So this comes in the quality. So quality हमें ये सारी चीजें शो करती है. अगर मैं आपको ज़्यादा एग्जाम्पल दूँ, so examples are like it tells us about the wealthy. Wealthy is ऐसे words जो आते हैं that shows the quality. Regional, whole, then enough, enough के बाद you can take little, all, 100, no also, some is also there, then most, and many more. ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं जो क्वालिटी के एग्जाम्पल हो सकते हैं. ये मैंने आपको सिर्फ वर्ड्स कुछ बताया है. द फ्यू वर्ड्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू. I am telling you the few words which can be come into the examples of. जैसे in the few minutes ago I have told you about the size, shape. There also I have told you the words. This can be the words that were the examples, right? These are also the examples. That kind of words can be of quality. Okay. So students, what we have learned today, we have learned about and adjectives. I have told you what is an adjective, what are the kinds of adjectives, right? This I have taught you. Now next, the quality of adjective and the quantity of adjective will learn more from the textbook into the next video. Thank you and have a nice day for observing this video.